It's the team of Charlie Hull, Hamza Amin and Graham McDowell. Some incredible golf out there.
A lot of fun to be out there. This golf course has certainly not disappointed us this week. We've, congrats to Team Faldo on what they've produced here. It's a world-class facility, beautiful driving range, beautiful practice facility, and the golf course was fantastic. We were very fortunate to have Charlie driving the ball extremely well off some forward tees and going into some par fives with some short irons, and I think we got off to a bit of a fast start with that eagle on 2, and she continued to drive the ball really well. It was a lot of fun out there, though. I thought Team Rafa and his crew kept it kind of close coming in. It was nice to kind of come up the last with a one-shot lead and see what we could do. But listen, it was a lot of fun and really enjoyed our time this weekend. And we're obviously excited to be part of the opening of this fantastic facility, and hopefully it won't be our last time here.
Yeah, I think it's a great course. I haven't played any other course here in Pakistan, but from what I hear, everyone is very impressed. I find that course that it's fairly forgiving off the tee, but it makes you think a lot on the second shot in. It's a green with lots of movement, some really deep link style bunkers around the greens, protecting some hidden pins, and I think that's the beauty of it. No? Nick has always been a fantastic strategist.